What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Starting off this video in my car, like always. But today I'm going to be delivering another dream build video. Now in the last video, you guys saw that I painted my parts and they all came out super sick, but I rushed to put it together so I could film that artsy little time lapse that you guys will see right here. Didn't get to grease any of my parts. All my parts are pretty much hand tightened, like they're really not that tight on my bike. And my bike right now is just isn't the best. So today we're gonna try fighting the 15-degree weather outside. I'm gonna really quickly grease up everything on my bike and then I'm gonna clean everything back up. Then hopefully it runs 100% again. Before I see any comments about the grease I'm using, I am using high temp, multi-duty, complex grease. I don't know where my park tool grease is. That is summer, but this will work for right now. It's literally so cold outside. We got Samantha, we got the grease, and then we got the tools. I think we are ready to get this going. So before I kick you guys off to the time lapse, if you guys happen to be doing it, then go down below and press subscribe. I promise you won't regret it. And if you guys happen to enjoy these dream build videos, then go down below and leave a big fat like on this video for more continuous series in the future. I'm sorry, I'm slurring, I'm stuttering. It is so cold out right now, so let's get to the time lapse. So now that we got everything wiped down, pretty spick and span, which was very much needed because as you guys can tell, it was pretty gross. So the next step is to grease up the headset again, put it back together. I have to really quickly fix my stem because right now it's really weird. I think it's starting to seize, but we'll figure that out when we come to it. But right now, grease everything back up, put it together. So now we got the forks, the headset, and the stem done. Really quickly, I pretty much just took all the bolts out of the stem and I greased them back up. I didn't film it though because it's little tedious things. So I put that all back together. It's looking pretty fresh. The next step is to really quickly true up my front wheel because my front wheel, it's terra bad, and the back wheel, probably gonna get to that another day because it's so cold out. So I'm gonna go inside really quickly, true up my front wheel because it's so cold outside. And I'll see you guys after that. So I just got done truing it inside and it is so much straighter. Just look at that difference. So much better. So the next step is to tighten my pedals because they are extremely loose. And just like that, the pedals are done. Now I think that's gonna wrap up for this video because it's freezing. So before, whenever I dropped my bike, it made a lot of noise because the pedals were just absolutely so loose. And there was a lot of like really loose spokes in the front. Anyways, it made a lot of sounds, and now we're gonna see how good the drop is. Little drop test. Oh. So that's going to cap off this video. My camera battery's blinking and my mic is about to go too. So with that, I'm not going to be able to give a proper notification shout out, but shout out to this dude right here. Thank you for being a part of Notification Squad. You guys already know the drill. Share with your friends, share the homies, share the dog, share the cat, share with friends, hot mom, share with your Uncle Bethany. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Very short, very cold. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.